Where am I? I don't know. I'm in a beautiful room in an old house. There's a bed, an elegant chair, and a lovely table. I can't see anything outside the window except a green field. The sun is shining on the field. I can hear soft music, it's Mozart. Why am I here? I don't know. My head is hurting. I can't open the door, and I can't open the window. I'm wearing gray trousers and a gray shirt, but no shoes. I'm hungry and thirsty. There's no food in the room, nor any drink. On the table, there's a pen and some paper, but the paper is blank. Who am I? I can't remember. I can't remember my name. I can't remember anything. My head hurts a lot. I'm very tired. I'm going to sleep. It's morning. I'm still on the bed, still wearing the gray clothes. I'm very hungry and very thirsty. I can hear the music again, it's Mozart. My head doesn't hurt anymore, but I still can't remember my name or anything else. I hear someone outside the room. The door is opening. A man enters. He's wearing black trousers and a black shirt. I don't know him. Hello. How's your head? He asks. My head. It's okay. It doesn't hurt now. Good. Where am I? I ask. You don't know? No. Are you thirsty? Yes, I'm hungry and thirsty. Drink this, he says, holding a glass. I drink from it. I feel very tired again. I'm going to sleep. What time is it? My head is hurting again. I'm on the bed, and the room is dark. The music has stopped. I'm going to turn on the light. Now I can see. There's a glass on the table. I'm thirsty again, so I drink from it. I feel sleepy again. I'm going to sleep. Wake up. What? I say, groggy. Oh, my head. I'm going to ask you some questions. Who are you? I don't know. What's your name? I don't know. I'm going to ask you again. What's your name? I can't tell you. I don't know. Where are you from? I don't know. Drink this. No, I can't. You're going to drink it. Do you understand? There's a gun in his hand. I drink from the glass. The room is dark. I'm awake again. It's quiet outside. The sun is shining through the window. There's food and water on the table. I'm not tired anymore, and my head feels okay. Someone's coming. The door opens. It's the man in black clothes. Do you want to talk now? What about? Okay. Who are you? Who are you? I counter. I'm asking the questions. Why are you here? You tell me. He hits me across the face. We're going to start again. Who are you? I can't remember. Don't hit me. But he does. Then he opens the door and leaves. There's a bump on the back of my head. It doesn't hurt now, but my face does. The bump. I can remember something. I'm in a field, lying under a tree. I've got binoculars in my hand. I'm watching a house, a beautiful old house. Then there's a noise behind me. A man with a big dog approaches. The man is holding a gun. Then he hits me on the head with the gun. Everything goes dark. I've got a bump on my head now. Why? Why was I in that field? Who am I? Am I a policeman? A spy? And who is that man? Is he a policeman? A spy? Or a criminal? I don't know. But now I can remember something. Tomorrow I'm going to remember more. The next day, the man in black clothes is in the room again. Well, how are you today? He asks. I'm okay. Can you remember anything? Yes, a little. Who are you working for? I don't know. Why were you watching us? I don't know. Who are you? Tell me, and maybe I can remember. Very clever. I can't tell you anything. He leaves the room. I remember again. I'm watching the house. It's evening. I'm wearing a blue coat. There are lights on in the house. A white Jaguar pulls up to the house. I'm watching carefully. I can see two people. They have a box. Then there's a noise behind me, and I feel a bump on my head. Hey Stark, I hear voices outside the room. Well, he's going to talk. Maybe. He can't remember anything because of the bump on his head. What about the drinks? No, the drinks aren't helping us. Okay. 2 more days. That's it. We don't have any more time. How much does he know? That's the important thing. I hear a key. They're putting it into the lock. They turn it. The door is being locked. They're walking away, but the key is still in the lock. 2 more days. And that's it. What are they going to do? I can't stay here. The key's in the lock. I've got some paper from the table. Now, put the paper on the floor. Push it under the door. The paper is under the door. Now, take the pen. Push it into the lock. Yes, there's the key. It's in the lock. Push the key with the pen. Yes, the key is falling from the lock. Is it on the paper? I don't know. Pull the paper under the door slowly and carefully. Very slowly and very carefully. It's coming under the door. And there's the key. It's on the paper. I've got the key. I can open the door. It's quiet outside. I'm opening the door very quietly and carefully. There's a corridor, and it's empty. I'm going out. Now, I'm going to take the key. I'm walking along the corridor. It's a beautiful house. I can hear the music again, Mozart. There are a lot of doors. At the end, I can see stairs. I can hear people downstairs. I can't go down. I open some doors. There are bedrooms. I open 4 or 5 doors, and then I open another door. The room is full of paintings, Picassos, Rembrandts, Van Goghs. They're beautiful. They're on the floor. There are millions of pounds in this room. Millions. I look at a Picasso. It's the famous stolen Picasso from the London Art Gallery. Who are they? They're art thieves. But who am I? I close the door. How can I get out of this house? They have guns. I remember. One of the bedrooms has a telephone. I can call the police. I walk quickly along the corridor and open the door. The telephone is next to the bed. The number is on the telephone, Bratt Street, 35972. I take the telephone carefully and dial 999. I'm waiting. Police, fire, or ambulance? Police, quickly. Police. What's your number? Bratt Street, 35972. Quickly, I'm a prisoner here. I can't get out. The house is full of stolen paintings. Come quickly. What's your name? Come quickly. This is Bratt Street, 35972. I can't. Then I hear people in the corridor. I put down the phone. I can hear them outside the locked room. We'll open the door then. I can't find the key. Come on. I can't find it. There's another key in the kitchen. Get it. Right. 5 minutes. I can hear him again. He's coming with the key. He's opening the door. What? He isn't here. But the door's locked. Find him and take your gun. And this time, finish him. You understand? Okay, I'm going. I can hear him. He's opening doors. Are the police going to come or not? He's in the next room. Then I hear them, police cars, a lot of police cars. They're outside the house. It's the police. What do they want? Don't take the gun with you. They're going downstairs. I can hear voices. Good evening, Inspector. What can I do for you? We want to look around the house. We're looking for some paintings. But there's nothing here. Nothing. We can look then. But why? A telephone call. A telephone call about some paintings. From? We don't know. You don't know. Well, Inspector, the paintings are up here. I can show you. It's 10 minutes later. The man and the woman are in the police cars. Well, Eddie, this is a surprise. Eddie? Who's Eddie? Eddie, come on. No, I can't remember. You can't remember me? I can't remember my name. Eddie. Eddie, what? Eddie Hampton. What are you doing here, Eddie? I tell him. I tell him about the field and the binoculars. I tell him about the bump on my head and the room. I tell him about the paper and the key. He's laughing at me. Okay, I'm Eddie Hampton. But who's Eddie Hampton? He's laughing again. You know me. Am I a policeman? No, Eddie. You aren't a policeman. Then who am I? And what am I doing here? I don't know. But I can tell you something. What? Eddie Hampton's a criminal. A thief. Not a big thief. Those two people are big thieves with their famous paintings. No, you're a small thief, Eddie. You steal from houses, televisions, radios, videos, hi-fis, a little money sometimes. You're small time. But thank you for your help.